If you're watching this with tired eyes, unwashed hair, and a heart full of questions, Mama, this one's for you. You are not alone, and you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be loved, supported, and gently reminded that you're doing something extraordinary. Let's take a deep breath together. Inhale, exhale. This video is not here to tell you what you're doing wrong. It's here to tell you you're already enough. Whether you're breastfeeding around the clock or you're thinking of giving it up, your worth is not measured in ounces. Your love is not measured by milk supply. And you, tired mama, are still magic. Breastfeeding is not just about feeding. It's emotional, it's physical, it's spiritual, and it's exhausting. Let's break the myths and replace them with truth. Breastfeeding doesn't always come naturally. It might hurt in the beginning. You might cry at 3 a.m. while holding your baby and Googling, is this normal? But it gets easier. And we're going to talk about how. Here are gentle, peaceful methods that honor both your baby and your body. Side-lying position for night feeds. You deserve rest too. Breastfeed skin to skin. It boosts milk, calms baby, and lowers your stress. Don't clock watch. Watch your baby. Follow baby's cues, not the app. Use the deep latch technique. Less pain, more milk. Offer one breast per feed. It empties fully and reduces gas. Keep a snack and water bottle by your feeding area. You need fuel too. The pressure to breastfeed perfectly is real. The fear of not being enough is honestly louder at night. You think to yourself, am I doing this right? Why is this so hard? Am I failing my baby? Mama, listen carefully. You are not failing. You are human. And it's okay to cry, to rest, and to ask for help. Confidence isn't born when you give birth. It grows, feed by feed. You don't have to feel brave, just be willing. Be willing to keep going when you can. Be willing to rest when you can't. Be willing to love yourself, even when you doubt yourself. You rush to pump between meetings, squeezing precious minutes out of a packed schedule, always juggling deadlines and your baby's needs. The hum of the pump becomes background noise to your workday, a reminder of the double shift you're pulling, one for your career and one for your family. Sometimes you hide in a bathroom stall, wishing for a little more privacy, a little more dignity, but determined to do what's best for your child, no matter how uncomfortable or awkward it feels. You skip meals so your baby doesn't skip milk, grabbing a quick snack or missing lunch entirely, putting your little one's needs before your own hunger day after day. To every working mom watching, know this. You are not selfish for wanting a career, for having dreams and ambitions outside of motherhood. You are setting an example of strength and resilience for your child. You are not wrong for pumping instead of nursing, for choosing what works best for you and your family, for making sure your baby is nourished in the way that fits your life. You are not less of a mother. Your love, your effort, and your sacrifices are what truly matter, not where or how you feed your baby. Here's a little tip. Invest in a hands-free pump if you can, to make multitasking just a bit easier and give yourself some freedom back. Use pump breaks as a moment to breathe, to pause and recharge, not just to produce milk. Let these moments be a small act of self-care in your busy day. And when you label your milk, do it with love. Each bottle a symbol of your dedication and care, a little piece of home for your baby. Remember, you're still connected even when you're apart. Every effort you make is a testament to your love, and your baby feels it, no matter the distance. Sometimes it feels like your whole identity is wrapped up in being a mom. Every day, you give so much of yourself to your family that it's easy to forget who you were before all of this. The world may not always see the invisible work you do, but it's there in every moment, every hug, every tear wiped away. You haven't eaten a hot meal in days, and sometimes you wonder if anyone notices. Meals are often rushed, eaten standing up, or left cold on the table while you tend to everyone else's needs first. You nurse on demand, day and night, and sometimes you wonder if you're slowly disappearing into the background. The exhaustion is real, and it can feel like you're losing pieces of yourself. But Mama, you matter outside of motherhood too. You are more than the roles you fill, and your dreams and feelings are important. Your presence is a gift, not just to your children, but to yourself. Your home is a safe haven because of the love you pour in, drop by drop, moment by moment. The warmth and comfort your family feels is a direct result of your care and devotion. Here are a few gentle things you can try to nurture yourself, even in the busiest days. Take mini 5-minute breaks while baby naps. Maybe journal your thoughts, stretch your body, or simply breathe deeply and check in with yourself. Or just sip some tea, letting yourself enjoy a quiet moment, even if it's brief. These small pauses can help you reconnect with yourself. Ask for help, even when you feel guilty, especially then. You don't have to do it all alone, and accepting support is a sign of strength, not weakness. And celebrate the small wins, like taking a shower without interruption, or finding a few minutes just for you, or actually sitting down to eat a meal while it's still warm. Remember, you are doing an incredible job, even on the days it feels like no one sees it. Sore nipples. They can make every feed feel daunting, especially in the early days when your body is still adjusting. Many mothers experience this discomfort, and it's completely normal to feel frustrated or even discouraged. Applying a gentle nipple cream or letting your nipples air dry after feeds can help soothe the pain and promote healing. Clogged ducts, back pain, exhaustion. These are all common physical struggles that come with breastfeeding, and they can really take a toll on your energy and mood. It's important to listen to your body and rest when you can, even if it's just for a few minutes. Breastfeeding isn't always, natural. It's athletic. It requires strength, endurance, and a lot of patience. Sometimes it feels like a full-body workout, especially when you're trying to find a comfortable position or your baby is fussy. Here are some tips to ease physical strain. Use a warm compress before a feed. It really helps reduce pain. The warmth can encourage milk flow and make latching less uncomfortable, especially if you're dealing with engorgement or clogged ducts. Try using a pillow to support your baby, just to save your arms a bit. A good nursing pillow can help you maintain better posture and prevent unnecessary aches in your shoulders and back. Remember to alternate nursing sides so you don't strain one side too much. Switching sides not only helps with milk supply, but also gives your muscles a break and keeps things balanced. Stretch between feeds, maybe some neck rolls or shoulder shrugs. Even a few gentle stretches can relieve tension and help you reset before the next session. And honestly, massaging your breasts during a shower can prevent clogs and relax tension. Taking a few moments for self-care, even in small ways, can make a big difference in how you feel physically and emotionally during your breastfeeding journey. Here's a gentle wellness check for you. Have you eaten today? Drank enough water? Spoken kindly to yourself? Reached out to another adult? Taken a break without guilt? If you haven't, that's okay. You can start now. You're allowed to be cared for too. Breastfeeding isn't just a task. It's an act of trust, resilience, and devotion. It's not about perfection. It's about connection. You're teaching your baby, I'm here, I'm trying, I love you. And if you ever choose to stop breastfeeding, you are still a good mom. You are still enough. To the tired mama watching this, you are seen, you are strong, you are not alone, and your love, fed by breast or bottle, is what your baby needs most.